All right. Yay. Wonder how far this goes. Ready. How far do you think this goes?
Probably to China.
Where am I see shoulders?
Oh, we must make it uphill.
Bro, I'm... Oh wait, we could have gone right. Oh, you want to turn back?
Yeah, we literally just went in a freaking circle.
Well, let's go around. Take a U-turn. Ah! All right, guys. We missed this part. Horseshoe loop optional. Oh, it was a loop. Oh yeah, here's the other part of the trail. Much better. Ah! I don't think my butt.
Steep.
All right. Oh shoot, hold up, my phone. Okay guys, sorry for that inconvenience. Watch out for all the twigs. Ready. Ah shoot. Oh, there he is. Never mind, he's still coming. Ready. How are you doing? Ah, my bike. Well, I mean, it's not, like, probably mostly my fault. Oh. That's very narrow. I swear, bro. You still behind me? You these guys think I can climb this thing? Probably supposed to be going faster. Okay, guys, yeah. I'm so bad. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm putting in my box. Oh. Yeah, I'm good. So you guys, I definitely don't think my bike is made for this. I don't think either of our
I
bikes.
think maybe we should head back.
All right, you guys, we're just gonna head back right now.
Hey, hold up. I know.
You do?
Yeah. We just walk out of the forest.
Wait for me, Brody. I'm probably gonna cut most of this out. Well, this part. Brody.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. You want me to go first? All right. All right. He's back there. Not that far. All right. So, boys. Okay. Hopefully, we don't fall again. All right. I'm gonna go. Well, this is the way we're supposed to be going, bro. Cutting that out. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go down here. Actually, very slowly. You're here finally. What took you so long? Oh. I feel like this is a terribly unquality video. I have to. We are so great at this, right? All right. And now we are going. Is your eye fine now? Okay, it'll be fine. Well. All right, ready? I'm going. You can just close that eye. Oh man, that's steep. All right, boys. Brody, you're doing it. Okay, boys. Let's go.
Why do dogs love me so much? Whenever I'm with somebody, I'm the one the dogs draw on.
Oh. Dang. You're like bush. All right.
You know, as long as you don't really post too much. Don't post stuff. Usually the crocodiles are kind of like that too. Unless it's like a saltwater or a Nile crocodile. Those guys, humans are literally part of their natural diet.
Oh, wonderful. I wonder how you get out of here. Do you think you're gonna be late to getting picked up? No? Well, I guess that all depends on when we get out. All right, back on. I would definitely would have fell here. I probably would have fell going down that thing, and then would have fallen right here. All right. How am I supposed? Oh, just go this way. What if we would have started going in circles? No. I wonder which way is out. This is the exit. We are finally here. Oh, there's Brody. He went ahead a bit. All right. We're almost out. Oh yeah, I remember when we first went down this trail and we saw that gate and we got out through that gate, remember?
Yeah. I remember the morning ride. What
We're not gonna go through that way that time though. We'll just finish off the bike trail here. All right, well, you guys, thank you for watching, and this is featuring Brokey the Alligator, Loki.
Yeah,
Check out his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And goodbye.